Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
TikTok allows you to combine multiple effects in a single video, so you can come up with some hilarious moments. When you're done with the editing, tap the Save button in the bottom right corner of the screen. The effects you selected will be applied to your video, and you can then share it with friends and family.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you see a video that has a cool filter, tap the name of the filter above the username to navigate to the filter's homepage. There, you can see other videos that have used it, and create a TikTok using that filter. If you like it, you can save it for later by tapping Add to Favorites.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.